Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to my heart, motivation. Specifically, I want to share with you how 2023 has been a game changer for me, and how I'm ready to take on the rest of my life. You see, I've been battling agoraphobia and anxiety, but I've also got a burning passion for DIY, handmade fashion, singing, and dancing. And guess what? I'm not alone. There are so many of us out there who share these interests and struggles. That's why I'm here to connect with all of you. Let's chat about photography, modeling, and crochet-wear tips once a week. We'll pick a day and make it happen. But wait, there's more. If you're new to this, we offer private crash courses via video or in person. So, don't be shy. Hit me up at Leonardo's YarnieBoy, and let's get started on our journey together. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Remember, we're all in this together, and with motivation and support, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Until next time, stay positive and keep pushing forward.